Let me show you an easy way to change your age in your Google account. If you can't change your age on Google, you might have a child account under a family member, or it might be a school or business account. I'll show you how to check. Now open up a web browser on any device, and you're going to either go directly to myaccount.google.com on your iPhone, Android, or computer, or if you don't necessarily want to or you don't find that, you can just go to google.com, and as long as you're signed into your account, you can just tap on your profile at the very top right, and you'll be able to see manage your Google account. Just tap on that and you'll be able to see you get directly to myaccount.google.com. From here, to update your age, tap on personal info, scroll down a bit, tap on birthday, and you can see there is my birthday. I can just tap on it to update the date of birth. You can see I can update the month, day, and year to whatever I want. After I've done updating it, I can just hit the save button. Now, after you've done that, I would highly recommend going back out of here, and you can see my age status, I'm above 18. So it says verified 18 or older. You can always tap on that and choose to review the settings. If it does say that you're under 18, but you're older than 18, you might need to authenticate your age or prove your age through an ID. And if you go back here, you can choose who can see your birthday, whether it's only you or anyone can see your birthday.